Hello guys and welcome to the channel TechTab. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert text from image to an editable format. So for that open up Microsoft Word and open up a blank document. Go to insert, click on pictures and import the picture you want to convert. I'm going to use this Wikipedia screenshot. Select it and click on insert. And now go to file and click on save as and save it on a location. I'm going to use desktop again. Here you have to save it as a PDF file. So for that click on save as type and select PDF, give it a name and click on save. And after that close it all up. And now you can see that this is a file we have saved. You can right click on it and click on open with and go to Word. Microsoft Word will ask you to convert your PDF to an editable Word document. For that click on OK and give it a few seconds, and here you go. You can see that the formatting is not perfect. You can do that by yourself, but in general you have converted the text from the picture into an editable format. And that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.